Did you know that there is an $800 billion opportunity out there? And most training providers are missing it. The corporate training market is growing fast. Learning management systems alone are projected to top $70 billion by 2030. But here's the problem. 90% of providers are stuck offering the same generic platforms, while corporate clients are looking for something very different. A partner who understands their business. Here's the brutal truth. 41% of LD leaders say less than half of their training initiatives get board approval, and 52% of HR managers face resistance when seeking budget approval. Corporate buyers aren't rejecting training. They are rejecting training providers who can't prove they understand what the business needs. In the next few minutes, you will discover why 67% of HR managers are accepting to spend more on learning and development and how you can tap into that budget. The 3 critical factors corporate clients evaluate when choosing training providers. Real case studies showing training providers achieving 220% return on investment and 330% client retention with custom LMS solutions. A practical 5-step framework to reposition yourself from vendor to strategic partner, and how to charge premium rates without competing on features or price. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to capture your share of this $800 billion market by delivering what corporate clients actually want: measurable business results, not just training courses. This channel is brought to you by CDO, from classroom to boardroom, your business partner in the education and HR industries. Let's talk about what's really happening in your sales conversations right now. You spent weeks crafting the perfect response, only to lose to a competitor who bid 20% lower with a generic platform. Sounds familiar? You're competing on features and price, while your prospects are thinking about business outcomes and strategic alignment. Clients love your content during demos, but when it comes to implementation, your off-the-shelf LMS can't integrate with their HR systems, match their branding, or adapt to their unique workflows. Every training provider offers personalized learning experiences and cutting-edge technology. Your prospects can't tell the difference between you and your competitors because, frankly, there isn't much difference in what you are offering. As one of our LD directors recently told us, we don't want another training vendor. We want a strategic partner who understands our business well enough to make us successful. This is the reality. Corporate training buyers are making increasingly sophisticated purchasing decisions. They are evaluating product performance, scalability, integration capabilities, and long-term ROI, not just course content and the platform features. The data tells a compelling story about the shift toward custom solutions. Let's ground this in reality. The corporate e-learning market hit $104 billion in 2024. It will triple by 2030. Companies with strong LMS integrations close deals 15% faster and see up to 300% return on investment. And those who invest in custom LMS platforms, they retain clients longer, scale globally, and deliver measurable business results. So what are custom LMS success stories? A global retailer cut onboarding time in half, saving more than $300,000 a year, and saw a huge return on investment in under 9 months. A tech company boosted course completion by 25% and improved productivity on AI initiatives by 45%. Even in healthcare, one of the most risk-averse industries, custom LMS solutions slashed per trainee cost by 65%. Brandon Hall Group research reveals companies investing in robust LMS solutions can expect an average ROI of 300%, but this only applies to solutions that truly fit organizational needs. So, what are enterprise clients really looking for? It comes down to 3 things. Corporate clients don't buy training platforms. They buy business outcomes. 71% of buyers report that understanding their specific business needs is highly influential in purchase decisions. And the custom LMS demonstrates you understand their industry, compliance requirements, and strategic objectives. Enterprise buyers prioritize integration capabilities above almost everything else. They need systems that connect with existing HR, CRM, and performance management tools. Off-the-shelf solutions, of course, promise integration, but sometimes delivery is expensive and have a complex workarounds. Even 94% of employees would stay longer at companies investing in their development, but only if the training is relevant and effective. Corporate clients want partners who can evolve their solutions as business needs change, not vendors locked in their rigid platform limitations. Okay, are you already thinking about building your custom LMS? So let's take a look at 5 differentiators that win the deals. Unlike off-the-shelf platforms with generic interfaces, custom LMS solutions become seamless extension of your client's brand. And this isn't just about logos. It's about creating learning experiences that feel native to their organizational culture. Training providers using custom LMS report 40% higher client satisfaction scores because learners perceive the training as internally developed rather than externally imposed. Corporate clients need proof that training investments deliver results. Custom LMS platforms provide sophisticated analytics tailored to specific business KPIs, not generic completion rates and quiz scores. One training provider helped the client track the correlation between compliance training completions and safety incidents reduction, directly attributing a 20% decrease in workplace accidents to their custom learning program. The ability to integrate with existing enterprise systems isn't just a feature, it's a business requirement. Custom LMS solutions can connect with HRMs, CRMs, ERPs, and performance management systems, creating a unified data flows that off-the-shelf platforms simply cannot match. So what's the competitive advantage in it? Training providers with custom LMS capabilities report 60% higher win rates on enterprise deals because they can demonstrate seamless workflow integration during the sales process. You know that corporate clients have unique requirements that standard platforms cannot address. Custom LMS solutions provide complete flexibility to develop specific features, workflows, and functionality that align perfectly with client needs. And the strategic value for you? This customization capability allows training providers to charge premium rates while delivering exceptional value, transforming the relationship from transactional vendor to a strategic partner. Enterprise clients need training solutions that work across multiple locations, languages, and regulatory environments. Custom LMS platforms offer unlimited scalability and multi-tenant capabilities that can grow with client organizations. Did you know that custom LMS providers are already seeing 25 to 40% higher contract values, 300% increase in retention, more than 200% average ROI in under 2 years, 50% fewer support issues, and 30% faster implementation? And here's the kicker: they are not competing in the same request for proposal pile anymore. They are playing in a different game with less price pressure and more strategic control. Alright, so how do you make the shift from generic training provider to a high-value strategic partner? For sure, you don't do it overnight, but with the right focus, you can completely transform your business in 12 months. Okay, here's the roadmap to building a custom LMS capability that wins enterprise clients and delivers measurable results. Audit client needs, create a positioning strategy around the business outcomes, not content, and build return on investment calculators. Partner with development experts or build in-house. Focus on security, integration, and analytics. Run a pilot, capture results, create a compelling case study. Train your team on selling solutions, not software. Expand capacity, tap into partnership channels. And this isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a strategic repositioning of your entire business. In 1 year, you go from chasing RFPs to closing high-value deals with clients who see you as essential to their success. The key is simple. Stop selling what you have and start building what your clients really need. Remember, that's how you scale impact, grow revenue, and win your space in the $800 billion corporate training market. Let's be clear, the market is there, the money is there, but the game has changed. Enterprise clients don't need more training vendors, they need business partners who deliver results. With a custom LMS, you stop competing on features, you start winning on outcomes. You charge what your expertise is worth, and you position yourself as the strategic solution they've been waiting for. If you are ready to move beyond generic offerings and start winning high-value corporate deals, here's where to begin. This isn't theory, it's your next 5 moves. Number 1, identify 3 to 5 enterprise clients with unmet integration or branding needs. Map their internal systems and find the gaps. Partner with a team or software development company that can build your custom LMS backbone. Build one strong case study that proves return on investment from LMS implementation. Scale your model and own your niche. Thank you for watching. If you need help with this topic, you will find a link in the description below to a free consultation where we can help you determine the next steps in your journey to build digital products.